A man starts from a point A and walks 1,000 meters on a bearing of 25 degrees. How far north is the man from his starting point? This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. So there is a man who starts his journey from point A and he walks a distance of 1,000 meters on a bearing of 25 degrees. Let's illustrate this information on a diagram. So the man starts from point A. Let's say that this is point A. We have our 4 main cardinal points. The question says that he walks for a distance of 1,000 meters on a bearing of 25 degrees. So the bearing is 25 degrees and the distance is 1,000 meters. He starts from point A, walks on a bearing of 25 degrees and covers the distance of 1,000 meters. Let's call this point C. So the distance from A to C is 1,000 meters. The question wants us to find how far north is he from his starting point. What this means is that the question wants us to find the distance at which the man will be on the same level as point C if he had moved in the northern direction. This is the north of point A. So the question wants us to find the distance that it will take the man to be on the same level at point C if he had moved in the northern direction. If the man moves in the northern direction, it means that he will walk along this line because this is the north of point A. As you can see, if he had moved in the northern direction, he would be on the same level at point C if he gets to this point. Because if we draw a horizontal line through this point, you can see that it will be on the same level at point C. So it means that if the man had moved in the northern direction, he would have been on the same level at point C if he gets to this point. Let's call this point here point B. So the question wants us to find the length of the distance AB. That is the distance from point A to point B. That will be the distance that the man will cover to be on the same level at point C if he moves along the north of point A. The line AB is a vertical line and the line BC is a horizontal line, and they both meet at point B. So it means that the angle formed at point B will be 90 degrees. The angle formed here is 90 degrees. If the angle formed here is 90 degrees, then it means that the triangle ABC is a right-angled triangle. If the triangle ABC is a right-angled triangle, then we can use the trigonometric ratios to find the length of the side AB. If we consider the triangle ABC, we can see that the side AC is the hypotenuse, that is the longest side, and the side AB is adjacent to 25 degrees. So we have the interior angle 25 degrees and the hypotenuse, and we are looking for the adjacent side. We are going to use cos because cos will give us adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So considering the triangle ABC, cos 25 degrees will be equal to the adjacent side, which is the side AB, divided by the hypotenuse, which is the side AC, which is given to us as 1,000 meters. To get AB, I'll multiply the left-hand side by 1,000 meters and multiply the right-hand side by 1,000 meters. So 1,000 meters and 1,000 meters will cancel each other out. And so the side AB will be equal to cos 25 degrees times 1,000 meters. Cos 25 degrees times 1,000 meters will give us 906.3 meters. What this means is that if the man moves in the northern direction of point A, he will be on the same level at point C after covering a distance of 906.3 meters. When we correct 906.3 meters to the nearest meter, we will have 906 meters. When we look through the options here, we can see that the correct option is option B, 906 meters.